So if you want to learn shadowboxing at home and if you want to learn different punches and movement, then make sure to watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to teach you not only the shadowboxing, I'm also going to teach you how to actually look good while shadowboxing. So without wasting anyone's time, let's start the video. So the first step is to getting up and standing in a fighting or boxing stance. Just like this in the video, guys. If you're a right-handed person like me, then put your left foot forward and put your both fists up like this. So guys, this is called a proper fighting stance. And after you guys learn how to be on a solid fighting stance, the next step is learning to throw basic punches. Now guys, let me teach you all 6 basic punches of boxing. So this punch is called a jab. And this punch is called a cross. And this punch is called a hook. And lastly, this punch is called an uppercut. I know guys, at first this may look like very confusing, but just keep on replaying that part again and again until you understand how to throw these punches properly. And guys, after you understand how to throw these punches properly, just get up, just be on a fighting stance and just start throwing different punches in the air. Yes guys, at the beginning, of course you're not gonna look good and you're gonna look shit. This was me when I first started boxing, man. Just look at me, I look like a fucking disabled kid. But we all start somewhere, and the only way to improve is keep on trying again and again. And guys, if you want to learn shadowboxing as quickly as possible, then do it as often as you can. I mean, like whenever you have any free time, just get up, just stand in a fighting position and just start throwing different punches in the air. Even when you go out for a run, even when you're like working out, just spare out a few minutes for yourself and just start shadowboxing. Become obsessed with it and make it your daily habit to shadowbox. And guys, also make sure your form and technique is correct when you're throwing different punches. And I recommend you to like record when you're shadowboxing, because that way you'll know you're doing it right or not. So guys, before I go, let me show you all what proper shadowboxing actually looks like.